Good morning, everyone. This is Neha from third year CSEA 2. Today we are going to discuss about stress management. Here we go.
Good morning everyone. Myself B. Achita from CSCA 1 third year. Today we both are here to discuss about stress management. What is stress management? It is a wide spectrum of techniques aimed at controlling a person's level of stress. Generally, a person is stressed when having a heavy workload, unhealthy lifestyle, inability to accept things as they are. Although life provides numerous demands that can prove difficult to handle, stress management provides a number of ways to manage stress and maintain overall well being. Effective stress management helps you to break the hold stress has on your life so you can be happier, healthier, and more productive.
Yes, there are many causes of stress, with being under lots of pressure and facing big changes. For example, when we move from one place to another place, some people can accept the change, but many people can't because they were very close to and attached to the past place. So they cannot accept the new place and cannot adopt the new place very fast. So that again causes stress. And second thing is worrying about something and having responsibilities that make us finding overwhelming. Suppose, for example, when a girl likes to study, but the parents or guardians will marry her another person, and then the responsibilities coming from that marriage may cause her stress because she don't like that marriage and she really want to study. So stress mainly occurs when the particular thing happens without our likeliness. And coming to the next point, when we don't have enough work to do and physical or mental activities and without any change in our life, then it also causes stress. And times of uncertainty also causes stress. This mainly here in the present situation, COVID-19 pandemic also created more stress to many of the people. Over to Archita.
How to reduce stress? Stress can be reduced in many ways. Here are some. Exercise. Working out regularly is one of the best way to relax your body and mind. Plus, exercise will improve your mood. Deep breathings. When you're stressed, stop thinking about everything and take a deep breath for few minutes or few seconds, which will help you to take out the pressure from your mind and keep your mind relaxed. Eat well. Eating regular, well balanced diet helps you to feel better in general. Slow down. Modern life is so busy, and sometimes we just need to slow down and chill out. Take a break. Everyone are having a busy schedule, so everyone has to take a break from the work and have some time to relax the mind. We all have to plan on some real downtime to give our mind time off from stress, like yoga, prayer, listening to your favorite music, spending some time in nature, etc. Make the time for hobbies. Everyone will be having a hobby like reading, listening to music, etc. You need to set aside time for thinking things you enjoy, like reading, doing an art project, watching a movie, playing, etc. This will helps you to relax your mind and will helps you to take the pressure out and makes your mind fresh and healthy.
Yes, Archita. Hence, we have to think the best and efficient ways to overcome stress. In my perspective, there are two main things. One is exercising and taking deep breath. Because, of course, nature also heals us very much, but each and every time we feel stress, we can't go to the nature because in our life, day-to-day life, we find so many buildings over here and there. So it is not that available of nature nowadays. So first thing is we can take a deep breath and we can sit in a place and calm for few minutes. And then second thing is artwork. Yeah, we can work on our hobbies. So these are the main two things and efficient ways to overcome stress.
There is also one more important solution. We can't say it as a solution, we can say it as a medicine. By talking to a favorite person or to our loved ones, we can reduce our
Yeah,
stress. They will help us to clear our
yeah, that is
pressure from our mind. By talking
yeah,
to
that is
them,
one of the best
they
efficient ways.
make us happier, and our mind also get relaxed and gets clear. If you have anything in your mind, or else any question or any pressure in your mind, you can definitely
Yeah,
discuss with them.
when we open up, we feel better.
As you said, in this COVID, in this lockdown, everyone faced many problems like jobs, education, financial status. We all are in pressure that how we are going to come out from this pandemic time. We all came out from this stress by spending some quality time with our family. Once we started spending some quality time with our favorite persons, we just did not even think
Yeah,
about
since
that.
everything became online, Achita, we can just see and hear the things, but practically we cannot feel through online. So, my suggestion is we have to spend time with our loved ones.
Yeah, it's absolutely correct. Once we spend our time with our loved ones, everything will be cleared from our mind and will overcome any stress or any pressure, whatever we are having in our mind. Today, in a very
Yeah,
busy
true.
world, everyone should take a break from their work and should spend some time for themselves to overcome these issues.
Yeah, Achita. Here we conclude the stress management.
Yeah, stress should be handled, otherwise, your mind will be under pressure. So, handle your stress by spending time which makes you happy. Thank you.